All right, this is a lesson on blues scale exercises. So we're going to keep with the last blues lesson where we kind of had not just all the different positions, but kind of a combining positions. So we're going to use that kind of thinking with this. This first one is threes, so we're going to go. Or you can end with. Okay, so we had sets of 3 notes. We had 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. And check out, download the free tabs on this. Makes it a lot easier. So we got 3, 5, 3, and 5, 3, 5. And then we jump up to the 7, 5, 7. That's our main position there, first position. 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. Same kind of stuff. Now here we're going to go up to the 9, 7, 9. And then I'm going to go 8, 9, 8. And then I'm going to switch fingers to get that ring finger going again. 10, 8, 10. Now here we're going to go up again. 12, 10, 12. 15, 12, 15. 17, 15, 17. Takes us to the other A there. Okay, let's try that. So we're going to go 3 and 4 and... Okay, and take it as slow as you need to. And then we're going to go back here. We're going to go. Okay, so that was the first exercise going up and down there. Now the second one, we're going to go. So we're going up 4 notes at a time, and there will be some kind of backtracking, so it's kind of tricky. So we're going to go 3, 5, 3, 5, and then 5 to 3, 5, 7, and then 3, 5, 7 to 5, 5s and 7s. Then we're back to the 7. Now here we're going to go to the 9. We got to backtrack to that 5. Back to that 8. Back to the 10. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so that was the second one. Now the third one, we're going to add in the flat fifth. And there's even going to be a couple more spots where it pops in, like the 11th fret up here. This will be triplets again, so we got... Got that 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 11, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12. Okay, let's try that. So 3 and 4 and... Okay, and we'll go back. Okay, now number 4, we're going to have hammer-ons. We're going to just use the first position, but we're going to use hammer-ons and pull-offs. So we're doing 4 notes in a row on this one. So 2 hammer-ons there. Okay, let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Okay, then we're gonna go back with pull-offs. 3 and 4 and. All right, so here's a little faster. Okay, now number 5, we're gonna have pull-offs and hammer-ons in 3s. So we're gonna go. So I just picked that once and got all 3 of those notes. So pull-off and then hammer-on. And then every other set, we have to pick them all. Okay, so. Okay, let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Then we'll go back, we go. All right, and then the 6th one is going to be. So that's a hammer-on and a pull-off, and then to the 4th note. And then we're going to go straight down on that one. So kind of a up, down, and then a down. Okay, let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Okay, and let me know if you guys have any exercises that you like to use that are a little different than this one. It's always good to come from different perspectives and everything. So I'm going to run through these all one more time really fast. So we got. Number 2. Okay, number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. All right, blues scale exercises. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.